Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by choosing a Google Cloud project and turning on billing. This unlocks hosting. Once done, enable the specific hosting service: Firebase hosting for static sites, App Engine for managed runtimes, or Cloud Run for containers. You must install the gCloud CLI and run gCloud auth login so your machine can deploy. Then set the active project with gCloud config set project ID. Do this now so credentials and APIs are ready, which prevents later deployment failures. You now build and configure the app for the chosen hosting path. For Firebase, run npm run build and confirm public/directory. For App Engine, create app. YAML with runtime. For Cloud Run, craft a Docker file and build image with gCloud build submit. Once done, configure environment variables and grant the deployer service account the correct roles, Cloud Run admin or App Engine deployer, so deployments succeed. Test locally using Firebase Serve, Dev App Server, Pi, or Docker Run to catch errors early and iterate quickly. You deploy using the appropriate command: Firebase deploy for hosting, gCloud app deploy for App Engine, or gCloud Run deploy for Cloud Run, then copy the service URL and open it. Once live, verify DNS records and HTTPS certificates and make sure IAM and billing remain enabled. If something goes wrong, check cloud logging and monitoring for errors, confirm the deployer has proper roles, ensure APIs are enabled, and verify your container or app health endpoints respond. These fixes resolve most deployment failures.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.